If you're looking for Young Dutch men clothings, this video is for you. My name is Emma, your personal guide. Welcome to our channel. At any time you can click this circle in the corner, and get more info and real-time deals on your favorite products. Ready? Let's start. Number 1, Most Popular, by Dutch Harbor Gear. Watch this video, choose your favorite. Number 2, another great product by Dutch Harbor Gear. Number 3, by Dutch Harbor. For more info about this great Young Dutch, just click this circle. Number 4, by Dutch Harbor Gear. Number 5, also by Dutch Harbor Gear. For more great related products, full details and online deals, just click this circle.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.